Welcome to my project presentation for the Mentorness program, whereby I'll be presenting the article and comment sentiment analysis generator. My name is Kennedy Waweru. I've attached my LinkedIn to the PowerPoint and my GitHub link. So what does the project entail? Sentiment analysis is a powerful tool in the field of artificial intelligence that allows us to understand the emotional tone behind a piece of text. How can this be actualized? This can be done by imagine being able to analyze a news article, social media post, or even a customer review and determine if the overall sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. How can this project help outside of learning? One is understanding public opinion. Two, gauging customer satisfaction. Three, market research by analyzing online conversations. I did the project in two parts. The first part was the article sentiment analyzer, whereby I did an example by using my LinkedIn article that I had uploaded it. I used the URL to come up with a summary of it, and whereby from the summary and from the web page I was able to get the sentiment. I used the three keywords, which were friendly, neutral, disagreement. These were analyzed in regards to if the algorithm showed that the sentiment was greater than 0. 0 was the main mark, was the baseline. Hence, if it was greater than 0, it would be friendly. If it was 0, it would be neutral. If it was less than 0, it would be viewed as a disagreement. From the above, it was deemed that it was greater than 0, hence the sentiment was friendly. It usually checks on keywords. Let's say in the second part, comment sentiments. Keywords such as reject, bad, and oppressive will tilt into the favor of being disagreement, since the polarity is negative 0, hence it's less than 0. It was viewed to be a disagreement. I was able to add a subjectivity clause because I wanted to see if a comment has a point or an agenda with it. If it says like Kenya reject the finance bill, it geared toward the finance bill, Kenyans rejecting it, so it had an agenda. It's greater than 0, hence if it was less than 0, it would mean that the comment had no specific agenda. Libraries used for this task were the NLP tools. Number one was the Natural Language Toolkit, which helps in tokenization, breaking down text into individual words. And a text blob, it's designed to help in sentiment analysis. That's about it for my project presentation. I'll add on next a brief presentation of the code while it's working. Thank you. Welcome to my project functionality presentation. First part started with importing the necessary libraries, Python libraries. Here I was able to link a URL to my article, whereby the libraries such as the natural language processing libraries such as NLTK, article, and it was able to download from the URL, go through the web page, and finally present. I was able to get a summary and also get a sentiment analysis from this. This part prints out the summary. Beginner large language models, a bit about what the web page was about. It is eloquent in English, hence for sentiment analysis, it was greater than 0, hence it's friendly. Based on the number of keywords, it tends to bring down this prediction. If there are a lot of words, it goes closer to 0, hence it will be up to 0. It will be around 0.0 something. Yes. I did part 2, comment sentiment analysis. I created a variable. I hate my parents. Based on these It was able to take the keywords such as hate to come up with a disagreement and negative polarity of less than 0, and was able to get to look for its subjectivity if the statement had an agenda. If it had an agenda, it's greater than 0. If not, less than 0. I did a wordplay using play. This one has no agenda, has no polarity, hence it was neutral, and subjectivity was 0. If I say I love playing, on the other hand, though, has a positive polarity and a positive subjectivity. Thank you for your time.